All right, number 7, you're going to write this expression in radical form. All right, so it is simple. The bottom number is what's going to go inside the balcony of the radical. And then this just is the top, x to the first power. No one really writes to the first power, and no one really writes that too. So this would just be the answer right here, right? It's the radical of x. This just means x to the 1/2 power or the square root, right? Same thing here. X to the third goes into the balcony, 3 radical. And then everything else is inside, x to the 4th power. There you go. Okay. Number 7, C, you can actually simplify this. You know what's 4 over 2? Well, 4 over 2 is just 7 to the 2nd power. Okay. Here, this, you cannot write it as a radical because do you see how there's a divide by 1 here? This is the exponent here is not a fraction, not a like fraction that is less than 1. Okay. So you cannot write this, can't write in radical form.